How to link and use Shippo with Square. It's very easy to do it, and I will just show you in few steps you will able to link and use Shippo with Square. First of all, go to Google and type here Shippo. Then click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, it will ask you to make an account. So you can just make an account by clicking on get started. You have to enter your some personal details such as your first name, last name, password, email address. Once you have made an account, you will be get back to Shippo, and here I will just sign in. So I've already have an account, that's why. And once you're here, sometimes you get a notification to add a store. If you doesn't get it, that's fine. Here just click on the settings icon, and on the left side you will see a lot of option. Go to the store. Here under the business section you will find an option of stores. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll if you haven't added your store, then here it will be completely blank. But here you can see I've already added my Shippo account with these three accounts, and I can also add with my Square account too. So first of all, you have to just click on connect store here, which is on the top right, and here you will find the option of Square, and I will just click on Square. Here it will ask me click connect to start the authentication flow. Of course we wanna click on connect. Here you have to just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it's loading here, so just wait here. And once you have waited, here you can see it's loading because it's redirecting to our Square app, right? Our Square app, I mean website here. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Basically you have to do the sign up. So guys, now here you have to just click on next, and you have to allow the permission. And here you can see we have successfully added our Square account with Shippo. So just to show you, just for confirmation, we will again go here, and you can see that we have added our Square account. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video really useful.